bored of regular plantains? Then let's upgrade it. So if you are guessing these are pancakes, then your guessing may be wrong. Hello my guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with our ripe plantains and we're going to be making something unique and delicious out of it. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and please turn on the notification bell to get all notifications from this channel. Like, comment and share this video. So for the recipe, we're going to be needing lemon, black pepper, sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, onion, thyme, baking powder, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, table salt, 1 egg, Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course our star for the day, ripe plantain. So to begin, I washed the plantains, took off the skin, and I sliced them into smaller chunks. So this is 1 minute and 33 seconds into this video and you are yet to like this video. Please do well to hit that like button and subscribe guys. Help this channel by giving it a subscribe. Please subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment for me under the comment section. After that, I poured them into the blender, poured in little water, and I blended it into a rough texture. But note, if you want yours smooth, there is no harm in it. You can make it smooth. I just wanted to get that rough texture for this particular recipe. So then I prepped the onion and the Scotch bonnet peppers. And then I poured in the blended plantains and added our ingredients. So I've gone in with the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, now the dried thyme, salt, and then mix everything to combine. So it's time for the egg to go in. I broke the egg and I poured it in. Now it's time to mix everything to be well combined. So after mixing, this is the part you go in with your flour and your baking powder. And now I mixed everything to form a smooth batter. I placed the pan on fire and poured in a little vegetable oil and I started frying. So repeat this process continuously until you are done exhausting the plantain batter. It's time to make our dripping hot sauce. So in a small bowl, I went in with mayonnaise, ketchup, hot chili sauce, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. So I mix this to form a smooth paste. As you can see, this recipe is not hard. It's just one of those homemade simple recipes. Our plantain dish is ready and our hot sauce is literally ready. So my guys, if you've watched till this extent and you are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And this is the right time for you to like this video, guys. Hit that like button, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and share this video. Let me know, how do you find this plantain recipe? Are you a lover of plantain? If yes, let me know in the comment section. And there you have it, our plantain dish is ready. So if you were to give this dish a name, what name will you give it? Let me have your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Please do well to like this video. Do not forget to like and hit that subscribe button. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.